Welcome to Al's Outdoors. It's 25 after 6 in the morning. First day of rifle season in West Virginia. Let's see what happens. We went out to get lunch about 12 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock now and the wind's blowing pretty bad. I haven't seen a deer yet, which is highly unusual, but we'll see. At least we're in the woods. I guess that's it for the first day. I finally saw 5 squirrels. Last 10 minutes to shoot light. We'll be back out here if we can. The sun was on the windshield, and I drove past it. Let's see how many we got. 3,420. Well, day 2. It's Saturday of the first week. Is the second time I've got to hunt. I got in here late. We had what the weatherman called freezing fog. I thought, yeah, whatever. I'd go way down in a holler on that side by side and the windshield would absolutely freeze and I couldn't see anything till I cleaned it off. I had to do that about 3 times. It's got to be 8:30. I'm in here way late, but they don't usually come through till about 9 to 11, so that's why I'm sitting where I'm sitting. Let you know how we do. I don't think the camera got that. I was hitting my buck grunt and changing it to doe bleeds. Something walked that skyline up there. All I could tell was it was a big-bodied deer. It's still up there. Let's wait and see what happens. I don't think it's very big. I couldn't really tell. Alright, for those of you that don't want to see blood and stuff like that, turn away. Lord. Let's get down out of here. Should be right there somewhere, the other side of that hole. I see it. Whew. Back hurts. Not a good time for your back to hurt. It's little. That's all right. Thank you, Lord. Meat's what I wanted. Meat's what I got. And, don't know if we'll get to go again, so yeah, it never took a step. YouTube ain't gonna like this one. That must be that other one. Huh. His antlers probably separated. That must have been that other one. Whew. They come up here and bedded down. That's the only one I could see peeking up over that log. But, we got meat for the freezer. That's what we wanted. We're allowed to shoot buck or doe these 2 weeks. And I thank the Lord for the meat. It comes in handy this year, or I wouldn't have done it. If you seen my video last year, you know I just let them walk by. I asked for it, and that's what the Lord gave me. So we're gonna get this thing out of here, but we thank you for coming to Al's Outdoors. Always share your fire, and we love you.